few people have asked me to comment on Alfa 33 twin charge that I've built. Started turbocharged with the TD05 16G, gave me about 280 horsepower, but I wanted something that would allow me to have a bit of boost off the ground, so to speak. So I added a Eaton M45 supercharger here with a Turbo Smart race port valve that you can see, and we also have a few other specs such as dual stage water injection over here. So I have one with Alfa coffee pumps, so one sprays into the face of the supercharger and the other sprays into the plenum just here, all controlled with solenoids. Over the other side I've got a TD0620G supercharger that gets spooled up by the little supercharger here, Eaton M45, and I get full boost about 4000 RPM with about 5 psi boost at about 1800 RPM. And to cool it all, I've got a dual stage air water intercooler system. Here's air water intercooler that comes after the supercharger, and over the other side I have a PWR 5x6 air water intercooler that is actually stuck down underneath there, just in the wheel arch underneath. Can't quite see it. Also got a little server fan from a 12 volt server fan that sucks cold air up from underneath up into the pod, and of course with the bonnet shut I've got these louvers here that draw a huge amount of hot air out of the engine. Engine is bored out to 88mm from 87, gives me 1768 cc, and I've got 390 newton meters of torque at 5000 RPM, and that's around about the 380 horsepower mark at about 6000 RPM. So, you know, a car that weighs 1 ton, it's a lot of fun. Here's the dual staged water injection, and that's controlled off a Haltech Sport 1000 computer. When the computer sees 25% fuel load, it switches on, sprays the water, makes a hell of a difference. Coming inside the car, I've got just the dual water pressure gauges there and a standard boost gauge there, and just to the left I've got 2 small green switches to control the water flow through the air water intercoolers. And also I've used and been able to take hold of the standard Alfa 33 condenser that with a fan that's on the left hand wheel arch, and the water runs through it out as well. I've also got the turbo manifold is all steam pipe, 40mm steam pipe that I made, and all the downpipe and all the exhaust system is 2.5-inch stainless, TIG welded over a period of time. Built it myself. The water injectors pumps are 240 psi pumps out of Alfa coffee machine, and they run on an AC. They're AC pumps, so I need a little 50-watt inverter here to fire them up. The whole system runs off the Haltech Sport 1000, which is a fantastic little computer. Thanks.